If you've ever felt frustrated with your trading results, wondering why some trades go wrong, or why your profits are inconsistent, then this video is for you. Today we're going to dive deep into a tool that can completely transform how you trade and track your performance, the StonkJournal. This platform allows you to journal your trades, analyze your actions, and gain a clear understanding of your trading habits. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create an account, log your trades, use tags, analyze statistics, and make journaling an essential part of your trading routine. Let's start at the very beginning, creating an account. When you visit the StonkJournal website, click on Get Started. The process is simple and straightforward. You'll need to enter your email address, create a password, and confirm your details. Once that's done, you're automatically taken to the dashboard, which serves as the central hub for all your trades. The dashboard is clean and well organized, making it easy for both beginners and experienced traders to navigate. Nothing is cluttered or distracting, so you can focus on what matters most, your trades. Once inside the dashboard, you'll notice several key sections. At the top, you'll find a summary of your trading activity, including today, yesterday, this week, last week, this month, and last month. This provides an at-a-glance view of your trading performance over different periods, helping you see both short-term results and longer-term trends. Besides this, you'll see wins and losses, which will populate as you begin adding trades. One handy feature here is the ability to hide numbers, which is perfect if you want to share your dashboard as a screenshot, but don't want others to see your exact profits or losses. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, you'll find the Tags section. Tags act as filters that allow you to sort your trades by key criteria like market type, trade direction, symbol, and status. For example, if you want to see only your crypto trades or only the trades where you went long, the Tags filter makes this easy. Over time, using tags will help you identify patterns in your trading behavior and analyze which markets or strategies are most profitable for you. Now let's go into adding a trade, which is where the journaling really begins. On the dashboard, click New Trade to start. The first step is selecting the market type, whether it's stocks, options, crypto, futures, forex, or indices. For example, if you're trading cryptocurrency, select crypto and then enter the symbol, such as XRP. Next, enter your entry price, target price, and stop loss. These fields define your trade parameters, helping you plan your risk and potential reward before entering the trade. After setting the prices, choose whether this trade is a buy or sell, and then input the quantity you traded. You can also log any fees associated with the trade. Logging fees is important because it ensures that your profit and loss calculations are accurate. Once that's done, it's time to fill in the journaling section. Here you can write down your reasoning behind the trade. Ask yourself, why am I entering this trade? What strategy am I following? Was I emotional or overconfident? This reflection is key because it forces you to think critically about your trading decisions instead of acting on impulse. While StonkJournal provides a basic journaling section, some traders prefer a more advanced setup to track additional metrics like emotional state, confidence level before entry, and whether rules were followed. You can create a custom tool for this using no-code platforms like Base44. By having predefined questions for each trade, you're forced to reflect consistently, which can drastically improve your trading discipline over time. Once your trade information and notes are filled in, click Save. The trade will now appear in your dashboard for today's activity. You can click on it at any time to see details such as buy and sell points, notes, and a trade graph. The platform also allows you to edit trades, add multiple entries, or update the outcome as the trade progresses. This flexibility ensures that your journal is accurate and reflects real-world results. Next, let's discuss the statistics section, which is where StonkJournal really shines. Once you've logged multiple trades, you can start analyzing your performance using metrics like expected profit factor, average hold time, average loss, and more. This data allows you to evaluate your trading objectively rather than relying on memory or intuition. The calendar view also provides a day-by-day overview of trades, showing daily profits or losses. For instance, you might notice that you made $80 on a certain day, which helps track consistency and identify profitable patterns over time. Another useful feature is the Notes section. Here you can log your mood, market conditions, or volatility before and after a trade. While the default notes section is simple, it's still effective for reflecting on your mindset. For a more thorough approach, consider using prompts like, "How do I feel? Am I well rested? Or am I following my rules?" Answering these questions every time you trade will help you identify behavioral patterns that affect your performance. Now, there is also a new setup section in which you can create a new trade. When setting up a new trade, there are additional fields that help define your trade fully. First, select your side long or short and define the direction of your trade. Then choose the market type, enter the symbol, and set your entry price. Next, define your target price and stop loss, which indicate the maximum acceptable loss and expected profit. You can also calculate and log your risk-reward ratio, which is critical for evaluating trade potential before entering. Finally, add a note explaining why you're entering the trade and click Save. This ensures that your reasoning is documented and not just the numbers. One of the most important aspects of journaling trades is understanding your patterns and reasoning, not just the profits and losses. By consistently tagging your trades, adding notes, and reviewing statistics, you can spot mistakes, improve strategies, and develop better trading habits. Over time, this structured approach transforms trading from guesswork into a data-driven, disciplined process. The Help section of StonkJournal is designed to guide users in navigating the platform and making the most out of its features. The Help section may provide links to customer support or further resources, and you can also go to live support for any questions or even request a feature you'd like to see added. Overall, the Help section is a valuable tool for both new and experienced users, making it easier to understand and efficiently use StonkJournal. The Settings section of StonkJournal is where you manage your account and personalize your trading journal experience. In this section, you can update your personal information, such as your name, email, and password, ensuring your account stays secure and up to date. You can also configure account preferences, including notification settings, default market types, or trading parameters, to make the platform work best for your style. Finally, StonkJournal encourages you to be systematic with your trading. Logging trades, analyzing performance, reflecting on emotional states, and reviewing patterns regularly builds a foundation for disciplined and profitable trading. By following this structured approach, you gain control over your trading journey and develop the skills necessary to succeed over the long term. So that's a complete walkthrough of StonkJournal, from creating an account to adding trades, using tags, tracking statistics, and journaling your reasoning. By using this tool consistently, you'll gain clarity, track performance, and build habits that improve your trading results. Every trade you log becomes an opportunity to learn, adjust, and grow as a trader. And that's it. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.